Hello friends. So now it's time to spice it up, right? So first let's provide box shadow. So let's come to card front. Let's provide box shadow. 0 0. So from vertically 0, horizontally 0, let's blur it 10 pixel and it's going to be RGBA 0 255 comma 255 comma 0.5 and just copy it, press Ctrl C to copy, provide a comma and let's paste it, and this time let's give it 20 pixel. So we can provide multiple box shadows, right? Now let's take a look, see. Okay, all right, and for this card back, let me copy it. This one will be 255, this one will be 0, and same goes here. Yeah, okay. Now the thing is, we are going to make it a little bit darker. That's for sure. So this one, make it 112 or 222, and this one 333. Let's take a look now. Yeah. Okay. Now we are going to add border. So border again, let's give it 5 pixel solid, but what will be the color? It's going to be this color, 00 FF FF. I mean, this one is FF, this one is again FF. And don't forget to give hash. And same goes for this one also. Border 5 pixel solid FF 00 FF. All right, let's take a look. Oh, no, it's, let's make it 2 pixel, not more than that. 2 pixel, 2 pixel, and also provide box shadow, or I guess 1 pixel will be much better. Sorry, not box shadow, border radius. Yeah, border radius, let's make it 30 pixel. Yeah, for this one also, border radius 30 pixel. Let's hit save. Yeah, awesome, right? Yeah, and also let's provide text shadow to cart face. Text shadow again 0 0 5 pixel, not too much, RGBA. Oh, sorry, it's going to be 255. So it's white only, but let's make it 0. I guess let's make it 1 only. Let's make it full white. Yeah. But let's blur it out a little bit. Make it 15 pixel, and also text size, let's make it kind of big, 36 pixel. Now let's take a look. Yeah. No, it's too much. Let's make it 24 pixel. Okay. And text shadows, we are going to make it multiple. So 5 pixel, copy it. Let's make it 10. Yeah. Okay. All right. All right. This one, it is 222, right? No, I don't like it. Let's make it 122. Yeah. Yeah, even this is fine, right? Yeah, and for the back, what about kind of darkish magenta? Yeah, like this. Control S. Ooh, no, it's too much. It's too much. It's too much. Let's make it like this. Oh, I didn't save it. Yeah, I like this one. Yeah, I'm happy with it. And for the border, let's make it 1 pixel. Yeah, let's hit save. So finally, this one is RGB 68, 31, 62. If you want to see other versions, you can even see it. It's #441F3E. All right. So let's hit save and let's take a look at our final result. I may change this color later, but yes, of course, you will get the resource files. So by that, you can get that to what I will be changing. Okay, yeah, and one more thing is that about perspective, right? Yeah. So I guess I will create a new lecture for that so that everyone can so that it gets highlighted and everyone take a look at it. So yeah, see you in our next lecture where I will tell the concept about perspective. Okay.